8 months old. October 16th, 2012. Just dumped her toys all over the place. Gracie. 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 It's one of her favorite toys. Very complex.
Was that before you guys consummated your relationship?
Pay no regards to the TV in the background.
The good news is you proposed. Good news you proposed, so apparently someone's got a little experience.
Do you say you have a lot of experience?
I wouldn't say I have a lot of miles, and I wouldn't say I'm like really low mileage either.
Gracie. Say hi.
Yeah.
Jenny and I are constantly comparing our airline miles, which I'm winning. But when it comes to sexual miles, Jenny and I work a lot, so we don't really have a lot of time to sleep around. I think you're like one of those cars that has like a really low miles. Like they haven't driven that much.
Right? Or Platinum Sapphire.
No,
He has a lot of miles. Jeff has many more miles than I do. But he's really secretive about his miles. I think I'm in economy or
I'm so sorry this is playing in the background. If I could reach the remote, I would totally turn it off.
You know what I mean when I say cockpit.
So I run way more miles than you do.
Isn't she adorable? Can't believe she's mine.